You want to make sure you have all the parts. The scooter itself, instruction manual, it'll come with an Allen wrench, and a free gift you can look at for yourself. So once you have the scooter, the first thing you're going to want to do is put your handlebars in. So you'll notice up here, there's a latching mechanism. You're going to want to unlatch it and unscrew slightly that bottom screw so it loosens up, and you can remove this plastic piece. Next thing to do is going to be insert your handlebars. You'll notice they have these retracting pins. You're going to want to make sure those are facing up so that they lock into a notching place. We'll do 1 and 2. Last thing you'll want to do is tighten this latch up. So you'll screw this down here on the bottom until it's tight in the open position, and then flip it down once it's good. You want to make sure this is stable and on there because you don't want your handlebars to be loose or flying out while you're riding. And you can use the Allen wrench to tighten this as well if it's a little tight on your fingers. Now let's take a look at the folding and unfolding mechanism. Alright, now we're going to be looking at folding and unfolding the K08. Very simple process. There's a lever at the base of the tiller. You'll just press that down like so, and the scooter snaps into place. To fold it, simply press down on the same lever, and you're ready to go. The K08 also has an adjustable handlebar, so it'll hit 3 different heights, so it's built to fit riders of all shapes and sizes. Very easy. There's a latch here and a screw that you can tighten and loosen. Just pull up on the till and you'll see the pin will lock in the hole already made for it. You can just push it up, choose the height that works best for you, and then seal it here. Make sure this is done tight and secure so your handlebar isn't falling down while you're riding. By using the folding mechanism and putting the handlebars down, it stows very nicely. Only weighs 12.4 pounds, so you can carry it pretty much anywhere with you. The K08 has high quality rubber wheels and bearings. It boasts 8-inch polyurethane wheels with ABAC 9 bearings for an extra smooth ride. Lastly, the K08 comes with a 1-year warranty from GOTRAX and lifetime support.